In this video, I am going to solve question number 44 of your book under the topic death of a partner. It's a question number 44. In the given question, the balance sheet of Sindhu, Rahul and Kamlesh, who were sharing profit in the ratio of 3:3:4 respectively as at 31st March 2020 was as follow. So you can see the balance sheet is given here. General reserve in the liability side, it is given 10,000, bills payable 20,000, loan is given 24,000, capital of Sindhu 1,20,000, Rahul's capital it is 1 lakh, Kamlesh it is 80,000. Then in the asset side, you can see cash is given 32,000, stock 88,000, investment 94,000, land and building 1,20,000, and Sindhu's loan is given 20,000. So whenever the loan is given in the asset side, it is what type of loan? It is an advance loan. Now, Sindhu died on 31st July 2020. When Sindhu is died? Sindhu is died on 31st July 2020. It means he only survived in the financial year for the 4 months. It means he had worked only for 4 months in the financial year. The partnership deed provide the following on the death of the partner. Goodwill of the firm valued at 2-year purchase of the average profit of the last 3 years, which were rupees 80,000. So goodwill of the firm is already given on the basis of 2-year average profit, that is 80,000. Sindhu's share of profit till the date of his death was to be calculated on the basis of sales. Like we had already discussed, कि whenever we calculate profit either calculate on the basis of time or on the basis of sales. So we had solved already question based on the sales and the profit. So we have to calculate the profit on the basis of sales. Sindhu's share of profit till the date was to be calculated on the basis of sales. Sales for the year ended 31st March 2020 amounted to rupees 8 lakh. यानी कि उस साल जो sales हुआ था वो 8 lakh का हुआ था, and the profit on that 8 lakh sales that was given 3 lakh rupees. ठीक है. The profit for the year ended 31st March was 2020, that is 2 lakh rupees. Interest on capital was to be provided at the rate of 6%. So sale of that year is given 8 lakh, and that from the 1st April to 31st July 2020, 3 lakh rupees. 3 lakh, the profit for the year ended 2 lakh rupees. यानी कि 8 लाख पे जो प्रॉफिट हुआ पूरे साल भर का वो 2 लाख रुपए हुआ था, 2 lakh rupees. एंड 1 अप्रैल से लेके 31st जुलाई तक की जो प्रॉफिट थी सिंधु जब तक सर्वाइव किया फर्म में, दैट वाज 3 lakh rupees. So let us solve this question. So as I already explained in my previous video कि in a death topic we have to prepare only deceased partner's capital account. So according to the given question, we have to prepare Sindhu's capital account and we have to find out how much amount is payable to Sindhu's executor. So I had already prepared account for you. Sindhu's capital account. You can see first item which I had shown in the credit side of Sindhu's capital account, that is buy balance brought down 1,20,000. So this is what? This is the capital of Sindhu which I had taken from the balance sheet. Buy balance brought down 1,20,000. Then the next, as per the question, adjustment number C, it is given interest on capital was to be provided 6%. I already discussed in my previous video कि whenever we give interest or the profit to the partner, deceased partner, that will be calculated up to the date of death. So you can see in working note I had calculated interest on capital. So capital of Sindhu is given 1,20,000. 6% interest, rate of interest is given 6 upon 100 and multiply by 4 by 12. 4 by 12 means up to the date of death. So Sindhu survived till 31st July. It means he only works 4 months in the firm. So 4 by 12, that equals to 24,000. So interest on capital is how much? 2400. So by interest on capital 2400 rupees we will record in the credit side of the Sindhu's capital account. Next I had written by PL suspense account. You know it very well कि whenever we calculate profit up to the date of deceased partner's death, so we will always write PL suspense, not by PL, but we'll write PL suspense account because this is profit not of a full year This is up to the date of the death of the partner. So let us calculate how I calculated the profit. So profit, it is given कि सेल्स 8 लाख था एंड 8 लाख पे जो प्रॉफिट हुआ था दैट इज 3 लाख रुपीज. ओके, 3 lakh rupees is the profit. Then if the sales is rupees 2 lakh rupees, then what will be the profit? So simply I done the cross multiplication. 2 lakh multiplied by 3 lakh divided by 8 lakh. So we will get the profit of the firm up to the 31st July 2020, that is 75,000. तो तीनों पार्टनर की जो प्रॉफिट हुई थी वो 75,000 हमने कैलकुलेट किया. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द सिंधु शेयर. तो सिंधु शेयर इक्वल्स टू 75,000 and the share of Sindhu is what? 3/10 because their ratio is what? Their ratio is 3:3:4 and the Sindhu share is 3/10. So 75,000 ka 3/10, that is 22,500. So we'll write by PL suspense account 22,500. Then the next I had written by Rahul's capital account, by Kamlesh capital account. This is what? This is the treatment of goodwill. If you remember in the retirement chapter, I already share this with you कि the treatment of goodwill is same in retirement and the death. So what is the journal entry we pass when we do the treatment of goodwill? That is remaining partner's capital account debit to retiring partner or deceased partner. So let us see how I calculated goodwill of the firm. Like in the given question, goodwill of the firm is already given 80,000. How much it is given? 80,000. So simply what I have to do it? I have to calculate the share of Sindhu. So Sindhu's share in goodwill equals to 80,000 multiplied by 3/10. We will get 24,000. Now this 24,000 will be compensated by continue partner, means remaining partner. So when remaining partner continue the compensate this 24,000, then the entry will be Rahul's capital account debit, Kamlesh capital account debit, because Rahul and Kamlesh is who? They are the continuer partner. So Rahul's capital account debit, Kamlesh capital account debit to Sindhu's capital. Sindhu's capital will be credited by 24,000 as we had already calculated, and this 24,000 will be compensated by Rahul and Kamlesh in the ratio of 3:4 because 3:4 is the gaining ratio of Rahul and Kamlesh. So that is 10,286 and 13,714. And the same will be transferred to the ledger of Sindhu's capital account. Lastly, I recorded journal reserve. By journal reserve. Journal reserve, you can see in your balance sheet, journal reserve is given 10,000. So 10,000 and the Sindhu's share, if I will calculate 3/10, so we'll get 3,000 rupees. So like this, we had recorded all the item which comes in the credit side of Sindhu's capital account. Then in the debit side, you can see in the old balance sheet, Sindhu's loan is given 20,000. So Sindhu's loan, it is given in the asset side of the balance sheet, and in the Sindhu's capital account, it will be recorded in the debit side. So we'll write to Sindhu's loan account 20,000 and then we close our books of account. So when we total this credit side, whatever the amount come, it will come something 1,71,000. Some 71,900, and when we'll deduct 20,000 from here, we're left with 1,51,900. This we will transfer to Sindhu's executor अकाउंट. ये किसको ट्रांसफर कर देंगे? ये जो पैसा हुआ 1,51,900, this we will transfer to Sindhu's executor. Who is executor? The legal representative of Sindhu. So this way we will solve the problem of death topic. We will solve few more question. So you try this question at your home and solve it some more question based on question number 44. In question number 44, the answer is given 1,75,900. This is not correct. So you correct it. The answer is what? 1,51,900. So that's all for today. Tomorrow in next video, I will come up with some more question. Thank you so much.